Hello, I welcome all my young learners to my channel. Today's grammar topic is verb. Verb, there will be total 20 questions. So let's solve these questions together and each question carries 1 mark. Okay, the first question is, what is the action word in this sentence? Okay, the dog runs. Now you have to identify which word is an action word. Is it dog? Is it run? Is it the? Which one is an action word in this sentence? Which word is doing some action? Is the is doing some action? Is dog or some action, or run is some action? Yes, you got it right, everyone. It is option B, runs. Let's move on to the next question and see what it is. Okay, the next question is, choose the correct action word. Now here 4 words are given. You have to choose which is an action word. Okay, so options are eat, table, apple, chair. These are the 4. Now tell me, out of these 4 options, which is doing some action? Is chair doing some action? Is chair is an action or a thing? Is apple is an action or a thing? Is table is action or thing? Is eat an action or thing? Yes, eat is action and rest are things. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next question is, what do you do with a ball? So what do you do with a ball? Options are sit, eat, throw, sleep. These are the 4 options. Now what do you do with the ball? Do we sit with the ball? Do we eat the ball? Do we throw the ball, or do we sleep with the ball? We throw the ball. That is option C. Now the next question is, identify the verb. She sings a song. Can you identify the verb in this sentence? These are your options. Song, sing, she, a. These are the 4 options. Now which is a verb out of these 4 options? It is option B, sings. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Choose the verb from the list. Here 4 words are given and you have to identify which one is a verb. First option is boy. Second option is jump. Next option is pencil. And the last option is girl. These are the 4 options. Which among these 4 options is a verb? Can you identify it? Yes, those who are saying option B are absolutely right. Well done, my little young learners. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question is question number 6. Pick the correct action word. Now here you are, what you have to pick? The action word. So here is the option: laugh, book, toy, door. These are the 4 options. Now out of these 4 words, can you identify the action word? It is laugh. Option A. Okay, question number 7. What is the doing word in this sentence? The baby sleeps. You have to identify the doing word. What? So these are options: the baby sleeps, bed. So these are the 4 options. You have to identify the doing word. So which one is the doing word out of these 4 options? It is option C, because the baby sleep. What is being done? The baby sleeps. So this is the doing word. Okay, question number 8. Choose the action word related to hand. Okay, these are your options: catch, read, both A and B, wall. These are the 4 options. Now you have to identify which of the things you do with your hands. Do you catch with your hands? Do you read with your hands? So then you have to choose both option A and B. We catch with our hands, we read with the hands. So these 2 words are related to hands. So we will choose option A and B. Okay? And if you're getting your answer right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark, because each question carries 1 mark. Let's move on to the next question. Question 9. Which words show action? Here are your options: bag, walk, pen, box. These are the 4 options. Now you have to identify which of the word is showing action. Is bag showing some action? Is walk showing some action? Is pen is showing action? Or box word is showing action? Which is the action word out of these 4 words? It is option B. Walk is an action. Rest are things. They are not moving. Walk is something which is doing some action. Okay. Question number 10. What is the verb in this sentence? I draw with a pencil. Now this is the sentence. You have to identify the verb in this sentence. Here are your options. I with draw pencil. These are the 4 options. Now can you identify the verb in this sentence? It is option C, draw. Okay. With that we come with the end of this exercise. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning all my little learners.